What's up, everyone? Today we are going to learn the first law of thermodynamics, right? So, in this video, if you are new here, then please subscribe our channel. Before this law starting, you have to know some basic terms, okay? And before you know that basic term, you have to know the law of conservation of energy, because this law relates faster law of thermodynamics, right? So law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created nor destroyed, only transformed from one form to another form, right? Basically, first law of thermodynamics states that same as law of conservation states, right? So before starting, you have to know the symbol of U represent internal energy, okay? Q represent heat and W represent work, okay? Consider some gases enclosed in a barrel having insulating wall and conducting bottom. This wall is insulating and there is a conducting bottom and there is a piston which is attached to the bottom, right? If U is the initial energy of the system, right? The initial energy of the system is U. If we give heat, then the total energy of the system will be U plus Q, because Q amount of heat is given to the barrel, right? After gaining heat, the gas tends to expand, pushing the piston from A to B. After gain the heat inside the particles expand, right? After they expand, they push that piston. So the piston displacement will be A to B, right? A small displacement, right? As the result, some work will be done. After work will be done, the system undergoes displacement if the U2 is the final energy of the system, right? Some energy are involved by doing the work and few energy are which is not applied, right? So equal to work plus U2. U2 is the not applied energy, right? And some energy which is work done is W, right? So in this law, it states that energy can be created, not destroyed. Heat energy converts into work energy, right? And some energy which is not done work, right? If when infinitesimal amount of heat dq is added, uh, before that q equal to u2 minus 1 plus w, right? If we infinitesimal amount of heat dq is added to the system, corresponding changes in internal energy du. The external work done dw are also small. You can write dq equal to du plus dw. So this is very simple, right? Thanks for watching. Generally, it is that nothing, but it obeys the first law of thermodynamics, as same that is law of conservation of energy. Thanks for watching. Tata. Take care, all of you. If you are new here, then please subscribe our channel.